what is considered to be a school of Buddhism? Is there a difference between schools of Buddhism and lineages of Buddhism? We have Kagyu school, Nyingma school, Kagyu, Nyingma, Kagyu, Sakya, Geluk, mainly 4 different. Sometimes we also Chonang and things like that. So it's like a different order. You can say school. So lineage, I think, is more like each teaching could have one lineage. Say like teaching on the Mahamudra has its lineage, and if I have received it from so and so Lama, he has received from so and so Lama, and like that. That's the lineage, and it could be different. My lineage and the next, your lineage, if you have received from another Lama, could be slightly different. Maybe same source, maybe a little bit different in the middle, and then kind of. So lineage can be like that. This is lineage can be, in one school there could be all kind of lineages because there are all kinds of different teachings. Each teaching could have a lineage also. But also these days, we don't, lineage is an English word, and school is also English word. So, we don't know what it means. So we mix that also in a little bit. So you can't be sure when people say lineage, they might mean school. When somebody says school, you might mean a lineage also. I don't know. Earlier writers on Tibet, for instance, Western writers, they went there, some as missionaries, some as government officials, some as military people, and then they wrote about Tibet. Most of them didn't know much about Buddhism or anything like that. They called it Lamaism. And, they even called different, schools as sects, different sects. Kagyu sect, Nyingma sect, like that. And sometimes even now, people call them sects because they didn't know. Here we don't know what sect is. So, actually they are not sects. They are orders, like in Catholic. There are different orders, so it's a little bit like that, same school. And I think sometimes you can say that in one school you can also have different lineages. Of course, one school like Kagyu has many sub-schools also, Kagyu, then Karma Kagyu, Dupa Kagyu, Dilgo Kagyu, like that. And they are not very different. They are not different at all, actually. It's all same teachings and things like that, but different lineages. Because of different lineages or different, kind of history, how these teachings come from, so they are called different sub-schools. And of course, there are different monasteries. Each sub-school can have many monasteries also, like that.